Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be making Easter egg magnets using Fevicryl molded clay. So let's begin with the video. We'll begin by dusting some talcum powder on the surface and on our hands and then mix the two components together. Now we'll flatten the clay and using an egg stencil, we'll cut the egg shape on the molded clay and let them dry. Once dried, we'll smoothen the edges using sandpaper. With the remaining clay, I made some elements to decorate the Easter egg. Now we'll glue these elements on the Easter eggs using Fevicryl and allow them to dry. Once dried, we'll coat them with gesso and then paint them using acrylic colors. To seal the paints, we'll varnish the Easter eggs using Mould Podge. Then we'll cut the magnets into the shape of an egg and glue them on the back of the Easter egg and allow it to dry properly. And here the Easter egg magnets are ready to be used or even gifted. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you enjoyed this week's video. Let me know in the comments if you're going to make any of these Easter egg magnets. Stay tuned for another video next Friday. Do like my video and share it with those who love craft and art content. Also comment below and subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. God bless.